In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly how to promote DIGISTORE24 products and potentially start making money online. My name is Matt Parr and welcome to the DIGISTORE24 YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel so that we can help you with affiliate marketing regularly. Now, if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, then DIGISTORE24 is one of the best affiliate marketplaces out there. And before I show you exactly how to promote DIGISTORE24 products, let's first go over 6 different reasons that DIGISTORE24 is one of the best affiliate marketplaces out there and why you should choose Digistore. Reason number 1 is that it's worldwide, meaning that you can sign up from almost anywhere in the world. Reason number 2 is that Digistore offers weekly payouts. Reason number 3 is that they offer a lot of different payout options. They offer you the option of paying out either directly to your bank account or paying out directly to your PayPal account. Reason number 4, and this is one of the most important reasons, is the fact that Digistore offers 180-day cookies. Now what that means is that if someone clicks one of your promo links going to an affiliate offer, and then they buy that affiliate offer 179 days later, the sale is still attributed to you and you'll still get the commission for that sale. Now, there's not many affiliate marketplaces that offer cookies that last this long, and this is one of the main reasons that Digistore24 is one of the best platforms out there. Reason number 5 is that there's tons of products to promote, and finally, reason number 6 is that there's tons of digital products to promote. Meaning that every single time you sell a digital product, whether it be a course or an ebook or a membership area, it doesn't cost any money to ship that out. There's no inventory costs associated with it, and you'll make a lot more money as a result. So now let's get into exactly how to promote Digistore24 products and potentially start making money. Step number 1 is to sign up for a Digistore24 account. And in order to do that, all you have to do is go to digistore24.com and then go to the top right-hand corner right here and click register now. And once you click that, it's super easy. All you have to do is fill out this form right here. And I recommend just signing up as an affiliate if your main purpose is to promote other products on Digistore24. However, you can also sign up as a vendor, which means that you can sell your own products through Digistore. Step number 2 is to sign up for a payout account. This is how Digistore is going to actually pay you money. So in order to do that, all you have to do is once you're logged into Digistore and you're on your dashboard right here, just go up to your account section right here and then go down to payout account. And once you select that, then you'll be able to select the option of either getting paid either directly to your bank account or via PayPal. And Digistore24 pays out every single week, but there is a minimum payment threshold of $50. Step number 3 is to choose your niche and your product. Now, generally when it comes to promoting digital products, the 3 top overall categories are health, wealth, and happiness. And if the niche that you choose falls into one of these categories, that's typically very good because there's a lot of demand for these categories. So in order to find a product to promote, all we have to do is go to our Digistore dashboard and then go up to the marketplace right here and select all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now this will bring you to the Digistore affiliate marketplace in which you'll see all of the different products that you can promote. Now by default, the products in the affiliate marketplace will be sorted by sales rank. And the products that are getting the most amount of sales will be ranked at the top. And if we go through right here, as you can see, the top selling product on Digistore as of right now is this product by Wesley Virgin called Overnight Millionaire. And as you can see, they offer a 90% commission, meaning that you'll get 90% of the commission for every single sale that you get. And also, you'll make on average $44 per sale. Now this number, along with all of this other data that Digistore gives us, are all subject to change, meaning that you might make less than $44 a sale, and you might make more than $44 a sale, but $44 right here is just an average. And then if we go down right here, here's actually my product called Tube Mastery and Monetization, in which I teach people how I run 9 different YouTube channels without ever showing my face. Now that's another topic, but going back to all of these products on Digistore, as you can see, there are also physical products as well, such as this one right here, which is a physical product that you can promote. And before you promote any product on Digistore, I highly recommend checking out their sales page and their affiliate support page. This means seeing what resources are available to affiliates. So if we take a look at my program right here as an example, you'll see both the sales page link and the affiliate support page link beside the product. Oftentimes on affiliate support pages on Digistore, you can find resources such as ads you can use, different ways of promoting the product that are working, and other things like testimonials. And as you can see as an example on here, we set up different ways that you can promote this program, ways that are working, different YouTube ads you can use, Facebook ads, student testimonials and results, and all of that kind of stuff. And a lot of the products on Digistore offer these resources. And if we take a look at the sidebar in the marketplace, as you can see, these are all the different categories of products that there are. Now, all of the products under this sidebar right here are digital products. And if we go down right here, as you can see, there's also events and seminars that you can promote, and there's even some physical products. And if we go to the physical products right here, as you can see, there are a couple physical products that you can promote, and all of the ones that we have right now are supplements. But let's say for the purpose of this example that we wanted to promote a digital product in the health niche. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can promote the product with tons of free traffic. But first, let's pick our product. So let's say we wanted to do something in the health niche. So we go to digital products and then we go down to fitness and health. And then let's go through here and let's pretend that we were going to be promoting a product in the keto niche. So let's say that we wanted to promote this product right here. All we have to do once we decide that we want to promote this product, once we take a look at the product, and I would actually even recommend, if you're serious about doing this, actually buying the product and making sure that you get a ton of value inside the product and making sure that it's a good product that you can stand behind promoting. Once you do all of that, then all you have to do is click this blue button that says Promote Now. And once you click that product right here, all you have to do is sign in with your Digistore account and then make sure that you're viewing it as an affiliate. And then all you do is you go to account and you go to affiliations. This will show you all of the different products that you've signed up to promote. So for this example, we signed up to promote the 30-day ketogenic meal plan. And as you can see that product right here. And we can see the affiliate commission that we're getting on each of these products, the language that these products are in, and also on some of the products there's also advertising media that'll give you ads that you can use in different places, email swipe ups, and all of those different kinds of resources. Now step number 4 is to generate your links. Now it's time to actually generate your unique links that you'll be able to promote in different places. Now all you have to do this is go to your Digistore24 account, then click account right here, and then click partnerships right here. And once you're here, now we have to go down to the product that we want to promote. And we're promoting this 30-day ketogenic meal plan. So all we want to do is go to the left-hand side right here and click this search icon. And this will actually let you view the details for the account. Now your promo link that you're going to be promoting is this link right here. This is your link. So if you want to just right-click copy that link right there, then you can paste it in a browser right here, and this will bring you to the sales page. Here's the sales page for this ketogenic meal plan. Now, if someone clicks to buy this product right here, you'll get a commission on every single sale that you get. And if you want to see what percentage of a commission that you're getting, then just simply go back here, and as you can see, you're getting an 85% commission on every single sale that you get through this link. So this is your link right here, and you can simply right-click copy this link, and now it's time to get to the fun part and start promoting your link. Step number 5 is to choose your traffic source and start generating traffic. So when it comes to traffic, there's 2 main types of traffic: free traffic and paid traffic. Free traffic is what you can generate for free, and you typically want to target free traffic if you have more time than money. Now, if you have more money than time and you want to leverage the money that you already have, then you want to put that money into what's called paid traffic or buying ads on different platforms. And I'm going to be going over what is, in my opinion, the best free traffic sources and the best paid traffic sources. And let's start with the 3 best free traffic sources. The absolute best free traffic source, in my opinion, is YouTube. And I might be a little bit biased in saying this due to the fact that I've made over $1 million from YouTube alone. However, YouTube, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to start getting free traffic to your offers that you're promoting on Digistore24. And you might be saying at this point, Matt, I'd love to promote my products with YouTube, but does that mean I have to actually get in front of a camera, film videos with countless retakes, spend hours a day editing my videos? And no, it does not. You can actually do YouTube without ever showing your face or getting behind a camera. And you can do this in a few different ways. One of the ways you could do is by doing screen recording videos in which you don't actually show your face, but you just narrate on top of the videos, maybe talking about different keto recipes in this example, and you could make a whole entire channel about keto recipes. And then at the end of your videos, you could say something along the lines of, check out the link in the description to get these keto meal plans, and then when people go to that link and they buy those keto meal plans, you'll get the commission on every single sale that you make. Now, what I would recommend doing is going to other popular health YouTube channels, such as this channel right here called Body Hub with over 700,000 subscribers, and recreating some of their most popular videos. Now, this does not mean to just straight up copy their most popular videos, but instead, write them in your own words and make these videos in your own way. Recreate it in your own style, in your own way, and you can use this traffic to promote your DIGISTORE24 products. Now, if you go to Body Hub right here, as you can see, their most popular product is 5 foods to eat to quickly gain weight and muscle. And what I would do is make a list of their most popular uploads and recreate those in your own way. And then make sure to put your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube videos and also in the pinned comments section of your videos. And another way to do YouTube without ever showing your face is to get other people to make the videos for you. You can do this by hiring people off of marketplaces like Fiverr.com to animate videos for you, to make the videos for you, to record videos for you. And also, one of the best places that I found a lot of the people on my team today is Upwork.com. And if you were going to be making the videos yourself and you don't want to pay an arm and a leg for a video editor and all that kind of stuff, then I would recommend taking a look at a completely free video editing software called OpenShot, and you can find that at openshot.org. Now, the free traffic method number 2 is Instagram. Instagram can be huge in sending tons of traffic to the affiliate products that you want to promote. Now, this means making an optimized Instagram page, whether you're showing your face or not showing your face. There's tons of huge Instagram pages that upload infographics images in which they never even show their face. Now, what I would recommend doing is starting a theme page in the niche of the products that you're going to be promoting from DIGISTORE24. And in the example of promoting that keto cookbook, what I would recommend doing is making an Instagram page about keto, and then publishing all kinds of facts about keto and why keto is so good, and different keto meal plans in the form of infographics images. And then you can put your affiliate promo link in both the link in your bio and then sometimes also in story swipe ups. However, to get access to story swipe ups, you need at least 10,000 followers. Now, you can get free traffic to your Instagram pages by uploading posts every single day on your Instagram profile and also making sure to use popular hashtags in your Instagram posts. Another way you can get traffic to your Instagram profile is by buying shoutouts on other popular Instagram accounts in your niche. You can simply message them and ask them if it's okay if you can buy a shout out on their page, and a lot of them will offer shout outs for very cheap. Free traffic method number 3 is by using a blog. Now, what I would recommend doing is using WordPress to host your blog and write articles about your niche, whether that be the top 10 best keto recipes or why keto is good for losing weight. Write articles about your niche and then use completely free tools like Ubersuggest to find the best keywords to target in your articles. And as you can see, if we go to Ubersuggest right here, all we have to do is simply type in keto and then search for the term keto, and you'll see tons of different ideas for articles that we could write for free on our blog. And then I would recommend using a WordPress plugin called Yoast to properly optimize your articles to get ranked in search. And as you can see, when we search keto on Ubersuggest right here, there's tons of different ideas for keywords right here. Keto diet, keto recipes, keto snack. And what you're going to want to make sure you do is target keywords that have a high search volume on the keywords, but a low competition score. And this will make it easier to rank your blog articles. So now let's talk about the 3 best paid traffic sources. If you don't want to wait to build an audience on YouTube or Instagram or writing a blog, then you can start getting traffic immediately today from different paid traffic sources. And my personal favorite paid traffic source is using YouTube ads. If you were to do YouTube ads, then I would recommend putting what are called placement ads on different popular videos in the niche. So I would look up popular videos like popular videos about keto and health and stuff like that, and put your ads on top of those videos. And a way to find videos that are getting a lot of views and that are monetized is by using a tool called tubesift.com. And another great way to use YouTube ads is to retarget your own YouTube viewers if you already have a YouTube channel. And I do this a lot and it works incredibly well. Paid traffic method number 2 is Instagram ads. I see so many people running Instagram ads on Instagram, and the reason they're running them so much is that it's really profitable. So Instagram's also a really good place. And paid traffic method number 3 is using Facebook ads. Facebook gives you so much data and so many targeting options in order to target people who will be interested in the product that you're promoting. And like I mentioned earlier as well, a lot of products will give you ad resources and different ads that you can actually use and run on places like YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. Now, before we get to step number 6, make sure to subscribe to the DIGISTORE24 YouTube channel so that we can help you with affiliate marketing regularly. Now, step number 6 is to analyze and optimize based off of what's working. Now, what this means is to find the traffic sources that are getting you the absolute most amount of sales and to double down on those traffic sources. Now, how exactly can you do that? Now, I would recommend going to this article right here called Track Advertising Campaigns with Tracking and Campaign Keys. And Digistore actually allows you to use what are called campaign keys to track different traffic sources and see which ones are getting the most amount of sales. So you can make a campaign key for your YouTube, your Instagram, and your blog, and you can see which one of those is getting the most amount of sales. And once you determine which one that is, then you want to double down on what's getting you the most amount of sales, what's getting you the most amount of promo clicks and traffic to the offer that you're promoting, and double down on that. So let me know down in the comments if you're going to be doing this and if you're going to be promoting Digistore24 products. I hope this video helped you a ton when it comes to promoting Digistore24 products. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that we can help you with affiliate marketing and making money online regularly. Now check out this video to discover how to make money on YouTube without even being monetized and without ads. You're gonna get a ton of value from this video right here. Check it out. It's gonna help you a ton with promoting your Digistore24 products. I hope this video helped you a ton. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for watching the Digistore channel, and we'll see you in the next video.